I was sent this tinted brow gel, so let's do a quick before and after. This is what it looks like, kind of like your traditional mascara wand. And I have the dark brown color. So what I'm gonna do is just brush right over my brows. Really thick. So if you wanna go really thick, I'm gonna have to kind of fix that. That's a little much for me. I'm just using my finger right now to kind of shape that in there. Okay, so a little goes a long way. I've tinted that one. Let me tint this one. Okay, so a couple things. If you have thinner brows like me, you may want to use this color, but use a different brush if you want to do a little more like fine lines. If you're okay with going a little bit thicker, this is a pretty big wand, so it does have a lot of space. You could definitely do the where you brush it up. I didn't do that, but I do like that it gave me that immediate tint. And then I can use this as kind of the baseline if I want to fill in my brows more, or I could just be out the door just like this.